Hi, my name is Laura Nelson, and this is my daughter Dorothy.
Hi.
And we're going to show you today the DecaDeck, which is a deck of cards I created a few years ago. And it's a set of 55 cards in 5 different models showing the numbers 0 through 10. Let me show you why the DecaDeck can be very helpful with reinforcing number sense in activities at home. These are the 5 different models of the DecaDeck. The first model I'm going to show you is dice. This is the 10 card. This is the 0 card. And you'll notice that these dice aren't like the cards that you have at home, or the dice that you have at home, right? Because they don't go to 6. They just go up to 5. So you'll notice that the 10 is 5 and 5, and then 5 and 4 makes the 9, and then we go all the way down to 5 and 0, to 1, and then 0. And the reason for that is all of the cards in the DecaDeck are built in what we call 5 groups, meaning any number over 5 is built as 5 and some more. And so that's important when reinforcing number sense at home because we walk around with 5 and some more, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So the next set that we have are the finger counting set. This is 10. And this is 0. But the interesting thing about the finger counting set is the way it counts up. Here's the 1, and the 2, and the 3. And what you'll notice about the finger counting set is that it counts from left to right, just like a number line. So the entire finger counting set goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's because, let's say we're showing the number 7, we want students to be able to quickly see that there's 3 fingers down and 7 fingers up. Same with the 6, 4 fingers down and 6 fingers up. So again, it makes our fingers look like a number line. There's the finger counting set. These are called 10 frames. And 10 frames is exactly what it sounds like. It's a frame with 10 dots to show 10, 0 dots to show 0, and everything in between. What's important about the 10 frame is we want students to pay attention not only to the number of dots that are on the card, but also the number of dots that aren't on the card.
Which is my nickname.
Your nickname is Dot because your name is Dorothy. So here there's 4 dots on the card, but we can quickly see that there's 5 and 1 missing, so there's 6 missing. So it reinforces the idea that 6 and 4 make 10. There's the 10 frames. The fourth set I want to show you are the tally set. Now tallies naturally come in groups of 5, so that works out well. This is our 10 card, 9, all the way down to 1, and then this is really interesting. This is the 0 card in the tally set. So when you look at your deck and you have a completely blank card, it is not a mistake. It is supposed to be there, and it is the 0 card in the tally set. And then lastly, we have our numbers, all the way from 10 down to 0. And when you're working with very young children, 3, 4, sometimes even 5 years old, you might want to leave this set out because this is a very abstract idea for children to understand quantity when they see these representations of numbers. There are many games you can play with the DecaDeck. Make 10 and Bump have variations that can challenge everybody in your family, from 3 and 4-year-olds all the way to adults. Go Fish and War can also be very fun games to do with preschool, kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade students. There's a series of videos where you can see in-depth explanations on how to play each of these games. I hope you have fun with the DecaDeck.